Hello, this is Elizabeth Chicken, your friendly high school librarian, and today I'm going to do a tutorial on how to set up your Works Cited page. So your Works Cited page will come at the end of your research paper, and it gives your teacher and anybody else who's reading your paper evidence of where you got your sources. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is you're going to want to set up your margins. So you go to File, Page Setup, and then you're going to set your margins to 1 inch all the way around. The second thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that I have the same font for all of my entries. Oftentimes when I am copying and pasting citations from different databases, the font will be different. So like, for example, CQ Researcher has a different font than ProQuest. So now everything is in the same font. I'm going to double space everything. So I'm going to select everything, go up here to line spacing and double space. I shouldn't have any extra space between the works cited and the date. And I shouldn't have any extra space between the title of the page of this page, which is works cited, and uh, the first entry of my works cited. The next thing that I want to do is I want to make sure that all of my entries are in alphabetical order by author, or if there is no author, by the title of the article. So I'm going to move Gardner. I'm going to Control X to cut, and I'm going to paste Gardner up here at the beginning using Control V. I'm going to move Marshall up. Now all of my citations are in alphabetical order. The last thing that I need to do is I need to add a hanging indent. And the hanging indent indents any line after the first line for each citation by 1/2 inch. And it's really easy to do. So I'm going to select my text. I'm going to go to Format, Align and Indentation Options, and then Special, and then Hanging by 1/2 inch. So now all of my citations are in alphabetical order. They have a hanging indent, and everything is double spaced. Your teacher might not include the heading on the last page, so you can just delete that, and your paper will look like this. If you have any questions about how to set up your works cited, or you need help with your citations, come and see me in the library, and I'd be more than happy to help.